In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Teachable in mobile or tab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull a clean CSV of your users right from your phone or tablet. Start by opening Teachable in your mobile browser and heading to your school's admin area. On smaller screens, the navigation may be tucked away. If you don't see the sidebar immediately, look for a menu icon and expand it so the admin options are visible. Next, go to Users. This section is where all of your student and user records live. On mobile, the layout stacks vertically, so take a moment to scroll and let everything load. If you manage multiple products or cohorts, this is the best place to prepare the list you want to export. Now tap Search or Filter. Use this to narrow your results to exactly who you need, such as users in a certain product, enrollment status, or time frame. Filters are your friend on mobile because they keep the export focused and the file size manageable. Apply the filters and wait for the list to refresh so you're looking at the precise group you want. Once your filtered list appears, tap the checkbox next to it. This selects the users currently shown based on your filters. On mobile, that checkbox is easy to miss, so zoom in if you need to. Selecting here tells Teachable which records to include in the export. Tap Export CSV. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet file that opens in apps like Google Sheets, Excel, or Numbers. It's the most reliable format for moving user data into other tools. Finally, tap Export to confirm. Teachable will generate the file. This can take a moment if your list is large. When it's ready, your browser will download the CSV to your device's default downloads location. If you're on iOS, check the Files app. On Android, look in Downloads. Open the file to review, and remember to handle it securely since it may contain personal information. That's it, quick, clean, and done entirely on mobile or tablet. If you found this helpful, save it for the next time you need a fast user export on the go.